All right, and now it is time to paper mache, which is a fun and messy process. What I'm going to be using is paper towels, school paper towels, and water and glue mixture for my paper mache paste. You're going to want to tear your paper towels about 2 fingers thick. Okay, so just tear them down so they're about 2 fingers thick. And then everywhere there's a seam, especially, or where you want to smooth it out, is where we're going to paper mache. It's going to help with the glue. It's going to help smooth it out. It's going to help with the texture and just bring it all together. Now, the way that you paper mache is you dip the whole paper towel strip into the glue, and then you use little scissor fingers to squeegee the extra glue out. It's very important to squeegee that extra glue out because if it's too wet, it will take forever to dry and it will gloop and it will droop and it will be awful. So do make sure that you dip it, squeegee, lay it down, and smooth it out. And paper mache should really help you smooth out those areas. So you're not going to see the corrugation of the cardboard. You're going to be able to get a little bit more dimensionality. You're going to be able to smooth out any place where you did like a paper ball wrap. So I'm going around the corners of my laptop because it does show that corrugation there, and I don't want the corrugation there because I want to be able to paint that, and if those holes from the cardboard are showing, then it won't paint, right? So also going to put it over the frame of my laptop to smooth that out, to make it look like one whole piece. And that's how you paper mache, is you don't have to, especially when you've already got a good cardboard base, you don't have to paper mache everything, but you do want to paper mache where there's a seam, where it needs to be smoothed out, where it maybe needs to be built up a little bit. So that is how we're going to do this. And all right, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm going in super duper fast forward mode, so you can see how I finish paper macheing all these little parts here. All right, now I am going in super duper fast forward mode, right? So it will take you probably a whole class period to finish this, but it should only take you about a class period to finish this. Remember to squeegee out, dip, squeegee, lay it down, flatten it out. That's the steps. Dip, squeegee it out, lay it down, and flatten. Over and over and over again. And just smooth that out so it's nice and smooth. That's really kind of the point of the paper mache, is to smooth out those rough areas and to really make sure that it's glued together really well. All right, as I said, I'm almost done. I'm not paper macheing everything. Some things don't need that because they're already smooth, because they're already flat, because they're already glued together really well. Because the seams already are where I want them. So that is about all I need to do there. All right, that's looking good. And then you're going to set it off to dry. It will take about a day to dry, especially if you only use the proper amount of glue and not too much. And here is what it looks like before I paint. And then after it dries, you get to paint it. Now, I painted mine realistically with just a metallic base. It'll be up to you on if you do metallic all over or realistic. It's your trophy. Have fun with it and enjoy the process.